OFM is grim as fuck, right? At the end of the day, this is one thing, right? So I'll tell you guys this. I'll be super real. Doing things that are scummy it's actually easy to make cash with, right? Like, I'll be completely real. Like, right now, I know of 5 different methods that if I had no morals, if I had like no care for the law and no care for morals in any way, shape or form, I would go fucking do it, and I would very easily hit $1 million profit a month. Like, very easy. But the thing is, there's something where someone asks you what you do, and even if you're lying to them, like, you just know in your heart that that's wrong to do, right? Like, if you're doing OFM, if you're scamming someone, let's say you're scamming someone, let's say you robbed a bank, you're a bank robber, right? That's easy cash, that's quick cash, right? But you just know there's something in you that's wrong. I would say, like, stealing from a grandma. Let's say you steal from grandmas. Like, that's just inherently wrong. There's something inside you that's fucking wrong to do that, right? So you don't want to do that. So when you're telling people, like, that's fucked. There's something inside you that's just wrong. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.